Good day, everyone. So, today we will declare one value to multiple variables. You can declare and assign one value to multiple variables using chain assignments such as A equal B equal C equal ECT and languages like C, C++, and Java, where the assignment is evaluate from right to left, giving the same value to all variables. How it works. In languages that support chain assignment, that operation A equal B equal C equal ACT works as follows. First, the value ECT is assigned to C. Second, the value of C, which is now ECT, is assigned to B. Third, the value of B, which is now ACT, is assigned to A. And here the example by language. And this is the important consideration. First, primitive versus object types. When assigning objects like strings, lists, or custom classes, be aware that chains assignments copy the reference to the object, not the object itself. Changing the object through one variable will affect all others sharing the same reference. Second, readability. While concise, some style guides and developers recommend declaring each variables and assigning its value on separate lines for improved readability and maintainability, especially in Java. Thank you for watching, everyone.